Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of QuMatix, a trading bot that's been making waves in the automated trading world. If you've been curious about this platform, wondering whether it's legit or just another scam, stick around. We'll cover everything from its features and pricing to the pros, cons, and even some alternatives. So let's get started. QuMatix is an AI-powered trading bot designed to automate your investments on the QuMatix platform. Developed by QuMatix LLC, a company registered in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, QuMatix aims to assist traders of all levels in making more profits by automating trading decisions based on preset strategies. The platform boasts an average deposit of $230 with over 2,200 active traders daily and more than $2 million in allocated funds. It claims a bid accuracy of 63%, which, while not guaranteed, suggests a level of effectiveness in its trading algorithms. Setting up the trading robot is straightforward, with a quick setup process that includes instructions in multiple languages. Users can practice with a $10,000 demo account to try out the robot before committing real funds. How do you start? First, you download the QuMatix app on Google Play Store, you create a QuMatix account, you set up the robot and practice on demo accounts, and eventually you make a deposit and start earning. Very simple. The platform also offers features like automatic selection of profitable assets, opening deals based on technical analysis, and smart back-tested strategies for various risk levels. Now let us talk about the main features of QuMatix. Proven strategies. The platform provides strategies that have been back-tested on historical data, curated by experienced trading analysts. Demo accounts. Users can practice all strategies and improve their trading skills without any deposit, thanks to the $10,000 demo accounts. Fraud prevention. QuMatix emphasizes the security of financial information and account details, ensuring they are securely stored and encrypted. 24/7 customer support. A qualified support team is available via online chat to assist users at any time. Mobile accessibility. QuMatix works seamlessly on Android devices, allowing users to trade on the go. These features are designed to provide a comprehensive trading experience, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. Now here's a question worth considering. Is QuMatix legit or a scam? On the surface, QuMatix presents itself as a legitimate trading bot with a user-friendly interface and a suite of features aimed at enhancing trading efficiency. However, there are some concerns to consider. Firstly, the platform lacks a stop-loss feature, which is crucial for risk management, especially when using strategies like martingale that involve doubling down on losses. Secondly, while deposits are seamless, users have reported challenges with withdrawals, citing delays, and extensive documentation requirements. These issues are compounded by the platform's reliance on QuMatix for withdrawals, which has its own set of reputational concerns. Additionally, the ownership of the website is hidden, and the platform is hosted on a shared server, which could pose security risks. While some users have had positive experiences, these red flags suggest that potential users should proceed with caution. Now let us talk about the pricing. QuMatix itself does not charge any platform or registration fees. However, to start trading, users are required to make a minimum deposit of $250. This deposit is used for trading purposes and is not a fee. The platform supports various payment methods, including Neteller, PayPal, credit cards, Skrill, and online banking. While deposits are processed quickly, users should be aware of the potential challenges associated with withdrawals, as previously discussed. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using QuMatix. First, the pros. User-friendly interface suitable for traders of all levels. Access to back-tested trading strategies. Availability of a demo account for practice. 24/7 customer support and mobile accessibility for trading on the go. How about the cons? Lack of a stop-loss feature, increasing risk exposure. Reported issues with withdrawals, including delays and documentation requirements. Dependent on QuMatix for withdrawals, which has its own reputational concerns. Hidden ownership details and shared server hosting, raising security concerns. Limited transparency about the creators and the developers of the platform. So, is QuMatix the right trading bot for you in 2025? QuMatix offers a range of features that can be appealing to both novice and experienced traders. Its user-friendly interface, access to back-tested strategies, and mobile accessibility make it a convenient tool for automated trading. However, the platform's shortcomings, particularly the lack of a stop-loss feature and reported withdrawal issues, cannot be overlooked. These factors introduce significant risks, especially for those employing aggressive trading strategies. Additionally, the lack of transparency regarding the platform's ownership and its reliance on a broker with a questionable reputation further complicates its trustworthiness. In conclusion, while QuMatix has potential, it's essential to approach it with caution. If you choose to use it, start with the demo account, employ conservative strategies, and only invest funds that you can afford to lose. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore QuMatix, QuMatix, and Binance Trading Bot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.